3 years ago, I started a project asking a pretty wild question. Can science slow my speed of aging? My team of scientists got to work, we looked at all the literature, and we had this idea that every single calorie had to fight for its life. Nothing would be in there because it's convenient or cool or trendy. It had to work in my body. One of the dishes we designed is called Nutty Pudding. It is delicious. Today, Chef Jamie is going to show you how you can make this dish in 7 minutes or less, and you're going to love it. Everything will end up in a blender. Here's what you will need. Half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. This is for blood sugar, liver, and pancreas health. A teaspoon of ground flax seeds for omega-3, digestive, and heart health. 1 teaspoon of sunflower lecithin for phospholipids and as a safe choline source. 2 teaspoons of ground walnuts for omega-3 and brain health. Next, add a 1/4 cup of berries for antioxidants and polyphenols for cognition, and 3 cherries for anti-inflammatory, sleep, and joint health. For berries, choose between strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, or blueberries. Then add 3 tablespoons of ground macadamia nuts for healthy fats and omega-9. 1/4 of a Brazil nut for selenium, and pour in 50 to 100 milliliters of nut milk, depending upon what consistency you like. I prefer 50 milliliters. Finish with 60 milliliters of pomegranate juice for antioxidants and heart health. Finally, transfer everything into a blender. Mix on high for about 2 minutes until foamy. Pour into a dish and assemble your toppings. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for omega-3 and fiber, 30 to 60 grams of pea protein, and finally, a 1/4 cup of berries. The saddest moment of my day is the last bite of Nutty Pudding. Let's be sad together.